Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while. It's been over 3 weeks. This video has been pending for over 3 weeks. 3 good weeks. Yep, in today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to do double bun, like double afro puff. I have a bit of cold. I'm going to start off by sectioning my hair from the side. I'm going to cut off this little part to make a very nice cornrow that comes to the front. I'm going to do it both sides and secure it by twisting it. Then I'm going to face the remaining part of the hair by sectioning my hair into 2 parts, clean lines. It took a while before I could actually get a very clean line like this. So I'm going to secure the first half in a bun, and also do the same to the second part. This style is really easy, very quick to do. If you don't know how to cornrow the sides, you can just keep that part. You can just pack your hair into 2, then do the needful. But to get that really beautiful looking style, you need to cornrow those 2 parts by the sides. I don't know if you get me, you know. After securing the bun, I am going to fluff it a little to give it that shape that I'd like it to have, so the hair looks very puffy, like a mega puff, you know what I'm trying to do. Now I'm going to just comb off the hair I secured by the side and cornrow it. I'm going to start with this expression attachment. It's not really that long. You can make yours very long, you can make yours short, depends on what you like, but mine isn't long. It's just ends at my jaw. That's just it. That's because I'm trying to be conservative with the style, you know. I could take it to the office, so I don't want the whole thing dangling everywhere like bell, jingle bell. And by the way, that's my niece. She likes the camera. Oh, she just kissed me. I love her so much. Her name is Chantel, and she also likes to dance, you know. She just comes and keeps saying, welcome to my channel, it's your girl Abby. Welcome to my channel, it's your girl Abby. So now I'm going to secure the other part, and now I'm going to start putting in the beads. I'm not putting too much, I'm just putting 2, and I'll just tie it and burn it. When tying this, you have to ensure that the knot you're tying will be so big that the beads won't fall off. So after doing that to the first one, I'm going to do the same to the second one and tie it and burn it like I did the other one. This style is really easy to do. It's something you can do like ASAP, highest. If you're too slow, 30 minutes. If you're very fast, 10 minutes. Very fast. That means you must be a pro. So now I'm going to lay my edges. Those edges, I'm really getting a hang of those edges right there at the moment, because before I used to pray before I lay my edges, but now I just do my thing. My easier has been my saving grace. So the hair now listens to the owner. That's the easier. It's almost gone. I use it for all my videos, as in it is gone. Where do I find the easier? Hey, Balogun Market, here I come. The search begins. Now I'm going to secure my edges, like talk to those edges with the easier wax and mud. Like they just obey. They just have to obey easier. while laying your edges, depending on the texture of your hair, this is peculiar to mine. I like to wet it a little, like a little, before putting the easier, because if I just put the easier wax and mud, it would just give a white residue. So I like the hair to be a little wet, or I wet the brush before applying the easier to my hair. And while even adding that water, the water shouldn't be too much. If not, it wouldn't lay. Once you lay it, before you turn back and turn back again, turn to the front again, the hair will roll like this and face you like, see me. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So if it's too wet, you take like a towel or tissue, just damp that place a little to get rid of the excess water. Then use the brush to apply the easier or whatever wax and mud you have, or edge control, depending on the texture of your hair. So after laying my edges, the next thing to do is just to tie it down to get the best of the best results, Now I'm going to tie it down with a satin hair scarf. What this is going to do is to absorb the excess water and lay the edges. It wouldn't roll back. For me, for you, I don't know. No, this is after my makeup. So this is the final look of the hairstyle. It looks beautiful. It looks very beautiful actually. As in, people like the bead in front. I took it to the office and everybody was like, "So it looks so beautiful, it's so beautiful. How did you make it? Is this your real hair? The one in front, is it your real hair?" I keep getting that. Is this your real hair? It's not my real hair. It's not my real hair. I made it. It's a cornrow with my expression Kinacolon attachment. So if you like this quick hairstyle, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I love you. See you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, please. All this English.